Do you pack all your valuables into your carry-on only to have it checked at the gate and sending you into a complete panic? Want to avoid that in the future? Coming up. Welcome to Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. I'm Michelle, and every Tuesday I share a practical and helpful travel tip to save you time, money, and headaches. Today we are talking about a very common occurrence, especially nowadays with the way planes board: getting your carry-on checked at the gate. So we were on a trip to Spain, and this was on our way home, and I had packed some of our valuables into our carry-on. We were traveling carry-on only, so we had a backpack and then our roller carry-on, and this was in the roller carry-on. I had, put some of our breakables, things that you wouldn't want to put in checked luggage, into that roller carry-on, only to get to the gate and have them force us to gate check it. So there I am at the gate, pulling open all of my stuff, reorganizing everything just so that I can gate check my rollerboard and carry in my backpack. So what I've learned from that experience is that you need to plan to have your rolling carry-on gate checked. Your backpacks or your smaller personal item will probably almost always be okay because that is expected to go under your seat in front of you. But those roller carry-ons or your larger carry-on, those are subject to get checked at the gate no matter what. And you need to make sure that anything valuable is not in that roller carry-on. Otherwise, you're going to go through what I went through, digging through all of your bags and repacking everything that you had just packed because they are forcing you to check it. Now, if you're one of the first to board, if you're in first class, if you are in, boarding group A or whatever it is, you're probably not going to encounter this as much. However, if you fly basic economy or you're in like group 5, group 6, when you're boarding, you're one of the last to board, you are much more likely to encounter this because the plane's filling up and people, you've seen them, they push that to the limit. When it comes to the size of the carry-on, when it comes to how many bags they're bringing. So if you're in a later boarding group, you're likely to get your stuff checked at the gate. Just plan on having that roller carry-on checked. And if you pack it accordingly, you're not going to be in the mess that I was in. I hope you found today's tip helpful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because every Tuesday I come out with a new travel tip and you don't want to miss a thing. I'd love to hear your comments, what questions you have about travel, and how I can come up with a tip to help you out. Thank you again for watching Travel Tip Tuesday with the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.